Y'all. I'm adorable.
So precious.
I'm a tween sensation. People think it's cute when I'm in adult situations. I'm gonna rock your body.
Hey.
Girl, you know I ain't playing. Someone wrote this song for me, so I'm not sure what I'm saying. I've seen many different girls, and I've seen their second bases, but you're nothing like those girls. You don't have zits braces. I'm so glad it's finally you and me, and we are all alone. Except for my dad, who's over there, 'cause he's the chaperone. I won't try to pressure you, 'cause I'm willing to wait. And I won't try to touch your boobies on the first date. I'll take you out to Chuck E. Cheese, and then a Pixar movie. And then maybe later you could just let me see your boobies. 0 times 1 equals fun.
Hey.
You plus me equals none.
Hey.
Kittens and puppies and chubby cheeks, with my cuteness starting to make you weak. I'm adorable.
So freaking cute.
You can't risk my advances. I have Carol Brady hair, and I know all of Usher's dances. So let's go to my dad's car.
Hey.
And make the windows steam. I really hope that sounded cool, 'cause I don't know what it means. Most of the other boys will play you for a fool. I made you this macaroni necklace today at school. I know how to please you, 'cause I can do things good. I learned about it in a Playboy that I found in the woods. Square root of 1640. Hey, don't you wanna be my shorty? When I first saw you, I was astounded. I love you tonight if I'm not grounded. I'm adorable.
It's almost disgusting.
Stop singing that song. My son sings like a little girl. I don't know where I went wrong. I wanna sleep on you. Wow, it's almost 9 o'clock. I'm getting kinda sleepy. Hey.
I was